guys are supposed to be 50 miles an hour. How are you gonna stay warm? And y'all have no extra, y'all got just snacks. Y'all have nothing to survive.
Stay off the roads after 4, but I think that's just propaganda. It'll be really bad, and you're gonna probably get stuck up there. Y'all need to be watching the weather.
What's up, vlog? Welcome back to the channel.
What's up, YouTube? The black.
My name's Elle. If you're new here, make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below, and
Hit that
post notification bell so you get notified every time I post.
There's room. We just got in the car. You gotta wear it. About to leave. I got a haircut vlog.
Are we vlogging? Yeah, we are.
Hey, vlog.
So
Gracie's digging in the back trying to get snacks.
here's a little recap of what's happening today. We're heading to North Carolina to go skiing, but there is a huge snowstorm coming. So it's gonna be quite the experience. We got Dalton. What do you want to say to the vlog?
We've been training all morning how to put these chains on the tires. We got our time down to 2 minutes and 30 seconds, so we're gonna be like a pit crew out there.
Gracie J just discovered that there were sticks in the back because we gotta build our fire when we get there. Because it's gonna be quite freezing cold. And we're cooking our food over a fire. Real survival
Don't let Savannah hold the snacks. We won't have
experience this weekend, and the ice on the roads is gonna be a little bit scary.
Try to beat the storm.
As you heard from Dalton, he said that they've been training how to put these chains on the tires all morning. So I think we're set. We're ready. We have a box full of snacks, so we're not gonna get hungry.
Y'all got just snacks. Y'all have nothing to survive.
Savannah's holding the box, so she might eat all the snacks, but
they're struggling.
I need the whole thing. Yeah, I need my backpack. You want your whole bag?
So anyways, it's gonna be an experience. Hopefully we don't get snowed in there, and hopefully the power doesn't go out. If the power goes out, we're gonna be freezing. I mean, it's gonna be an experience. So y'all just follow along. It's gonna be fun. Oh, also we're driving 6.5 hours. So basically 6-7 hours. We'll be there. Okay, guys. Woo! It's been eventful so far. We almost ran out of gas. Just kidding, not for real. But we did get stuck in traffic, and we were running low on gas. And we're at whatever this gas station is. Never heard of it.
And I'm getting
Here's Savannah. She desperately wants to say hey to the vlog.
I did.
She's been doing schoolwork in the back. Me and Cersei's just been chilling, looking out the window. Gracie's been doing schoolwork. Every single one of her electronics are dying.
And my iPad's dead, my MacBook's dead.
Yeah, but we made it to a gas station. We're not running out of gas, and we're gonna get some food, fuel up, because the snowstorm is coming in strong. We'll make it there. We might be pushing the car. We might be shoveling out in front of the car, but we're gonna make it there. Give the vlog a haul. What'd you get?
Oh, we got some cookies. I got a hot dog. And I got some halos, some candy.
Oh.
A donut.
Cheeseburger.
Cheeseburger. I got some chicken.
The most stuff. We should have got it to try.
Okay, what'd you get?
Chips, candy, and a sandwich.
Hey, we're at Bucky's. It's snowing. I don't know if y'all can see it.
Now for Busty.
Hey guys, we're inside Bucky's. I went to go get a sweet treat. Are we surprised? No. We're not surprised.
I had a donut and a whole bag of candy.
Oh wow. Well anyways, y'all saw that it was snowing outside. And it's currently 8:30. We're expected to arrive around, it said 10:50 when we left, but it's probably gonna be like 12 because we're gonna have some serious slowdown when we hit the ice.
You know, all snowflakes look different.
It's actually good snow. down, but we're not turning around. Still going. He doesn't think we're gonna die. He just thinks we're not gonna make it home, which we might not make it home in time for cheer practice, but that is not my main priority. Is that your main priority? No.
What?
Do y'all hope that we miss cheer practice?
Yes.
I'm feeling good right now. I'm feeling good about this. This right here is fine. We'd never.
There's a
gain
snow
traction
plow.
again.
We need to tell that guy to drive in front of us the whole way.
Yeah, bro, what are you doing? Bro's freaking eating a cheeseburger. Get out here and help us out. Take it real slow down this hill. She can tell that elevation maps.
We made it. We made it. Did you fall?
No, I was literally just sliding.
Check this out. Ready?
Whoa! We made it. It may have been a little bit of a journey to get here. Look at that snow. A lot of it of a journey. Yeah, we'll get the driver's input. Dalton, how was our journey here?
It was easy. They said stay off the roads after 4, but I think that's just propaganda.
Who's ready for a tour? Basically, we just one little room. Bunk bed over there. So is it gonna clear up? There's a little stranger in the corner. Just kidding. That's Savannah.
I was like,
Oh, a drum?
yeah, I told you that's how we're waking up.
Good morning. Nice table. 2 beds. A little couch.
I'm not kidding. The whole cheer team
Oh
literally
my
could
goodness. We're gonna learn piano tonight. We got a nice fire burning. Nice decor. And nice TV. Yeah, that about concludes the tour.
Like me too.
Look, I can run in place.
Slide down there.
Oh, she's gonna fall. Oh, I'm slipping. Oh dear. I can't believe I can run in place. You wanna run in place with me? Here's the rundown. The guys insist on sleeping in tents out here. So, and it's freezing.
I think they just want to do it for the experience because
But-
this is bone chilling cold.
There is room inside for if they do get really cold.
I'm confused why they're not staying in that attic right there.
I don't know what that is, but this is what it looks like on the outside. We're sleeping down there in the tunnel. I don't really know. We're like literally in the basement, so it's like a basement and an attic. There's like no main level. There's a barn behind us. 19 degrees, my friends. She got her hot hands. Ooh. And here's where we'll have our bonfire. Oh. Yeah, I'll sit in that chair. Shh, I hear water. Oh my gosh, this is perfect. We have running water. Yo. Cersei fell. She knocked me down too. Okay guys, we're going to find the bathroom. There's a porta potty up here. Oh, here it is. We found it. Oh my gosh, I just we just used the porta potties. Give it a rating. A 2 out of 10. The seat was really cold.
I hate a porta potty.
There's another fire pit. Someone's staying in that tent, but their tent is very nice.
Do not the tree stop. She wants to die going down the hill.
She almost fell into the creek.
Check out my air mattress.
Nice, it's really
This is how
blurry.
you blow it up. Just gonna do like that.
Oh,
And just like that.
wow. Fancy.
Yeah.
Here's my setup to charge my phone. Okay, we also laid out this little couch thing just in case they get cold and come inside.
They definitely will.
We definitely.
He's warming up. He's preparing for a 6-hour journey.
She's doubting us.
We're all doubting, by the way.
I think Riley just claimed this bed.
No.
No,
I'm
we
staying
did
the
not.
whole night out there.
We'll see in the morning. There's no.
Daniel, are you staying the whole night? I feel like he's not.
Oh yeah.
He's already doubtful.
The first one for sure. He's already
Look
playing
at,
off
look,
on me.
get a picture of Daniel's little air mattress situation. Look at that.
It's
thing.
so bumpy.
Sure it is. Look at that tread. He's not gonna fall off that.
How's yours coming along, Riley? Looks a little flat.
Yeah. It might stay a little flat. I don't know how to pump it up.
Good night, chat. Okay, guys. We're going to bed. We're in our cozy bed. We're waking up at 8.
You wouldn't have to worry about the lights being on if you had one of these.
Right. I should have just got one of those for Christmas.
Yeah, you should have.
Daniel's putting all his warm layers on because it's freezing cold. Dalton will make it the whole night. I know it. He might have frostbite in the morning. Good night. Good night. Good night, Gracie J.
I was like, she's got to stop breathing out of her mouth. I can't let her stop breathing. No, it's true. I'm about to Is he playing the piano? No, he's doing out his mouth. What? I guess he's playing the piano.
Good morning, vlog.
I don't want to get up.
I woke up a few times in the night. Savannah was laying on me at one point.
I woke up a lot of times through the night.
About to eat breakfast, about to put our ski clothes on, and head on out. The guys went to go get breakfast this morning, and they were slipping and sliding on the road, so they put the chains on the car. So we're ready to go. We're all dressed and ready, almost. We're grabbing some breakfast, but y'all, it's actually a winter wonderland out here. It snowed all night, and it's gonna be snowing all day today. We made it to the ski resort. It's snowing, and we got our tickets. We're all set and ready to go. How are y'all feeling?
We're hyped and ready to go.
We're hyped and ready to go. Got our snow boots on.
Oh,
How you feeling,
I
Cersei?
forgot about that step. Sorry.
Pretty good. How are you feeling?
Feeling fantastic.
Oh, here's the chains on the tires. I never showed y'all, but we're back in the car. We're putting our tennis shoes up, and then we're hitting the slopes. So, see y'all later. Say bye. Hey guys, we're on the ski lift. Say hey. We went on this one over here with all the little like ramps and stuff, and it was quite the experience. We were falling all over the place. We're getting pretty good. Gracie J hasn't fallen the past 2 times. Savannah's fed up. Cersei didn't fall one time, but she fell last time.
I'm tired of falling. It's a lot of work to get off. It is.
We're back inside, and we're eating chicken and fries. Well, actually, that's just fries. We're back with the guys, and it's snowing so hard outside. Okay, guys, we are done with lunch, and we're about to take some cute pictures, and then head back out to the slopes. The roof just caved on me. Look at all the snow. Let me video from your head. I was just walking. Someone set me up. Someone pushed me. Yo, it's all in my head, I know that. Oh my god. The wind is blowing hard. The snow's coming down so hard. Okay guys, we're leveling up. We do not know what we're going on. The ice is frozen on my camera, so that's why it looks like that. We've been going down a different course. And overall, it's been really good.
It's been better than I thought. It's still really hard.
Yeah,
Like, the balls are really hard. Yeah.
as long as you can go on the last two humps, you can make it to the end. If you don't get to the last two humps, you're walking.
Here we go. Here goes the ladies. Come on, walk in.
Yo, winter conditions are quite severe out here. The wind is blowing harder. You can't even see up the mountain. It's so snowy and windy. Anyways, we're about to head on out. We refilled on water and we're gonna back out there. Is that right? Riley's staying here because he's unwell.
Riley's done for.
Yeah. He decided he wanted to be a bird and fly, and he flew too high. Okay, guys, so it's like an actual snowstorm outside. Me, Sam, and Gracie wanted to go on the orchid one more time before we went inside for a potty break. We get to the top of the mountain, and it's an actual blizzard.
No, like, if you just imagine Cloud 9, it was that.
Like, it was actually insane, and like the wind was blowing so hard. Like, anyways, y'all, we go on the orchid one last time, and we finally made it. Like, we were all three of us were like in a line, and we were cheering so loud. We were so excited. We finally did it. Yo, the blizzard's getting. Gracie just had to go and get her goggles. But the lizard's coming. We came inside for a potty break, and Cersei came running with our tennis shoes and was like, "Yo, we have to go. They're shutting down the roads, and the storm's coming." So like, yeah, we witnessed the storm at the top of the mountain. I told them about how we finally made it over the 2 humps.
Oh my gosh, she finally made it. I didn't fall. Finally.
Yeah, we were so happy. We were all cheering so loud. Anyways, we had one final last good run before we were told that roads are closing. So hopefully we make it home. And then we're having hot dogs and s'mores tonight if we can get a fire going in this freezing weather. Just a little bumpy. The vibration of the cookie. Shake him.
Get up here, but you still stop turning.
We did make it to the car. I did almost lose my hands. Like, I was actually freezing. I don't think you understand the amount of cold my hands felt. Like, they were hurting so bad. Anyways, we're at Walmart. Here's the crew. We're on hot dog duty, and the guys are on s'more duty, which is crazy because we're the ones who want sweet treats. We don't even know where the meat is. Oh, little Debbie cakes. Cersei's distracted. She saw the little Debbie cakes. She got hot dog buns. We got ketchup and mustard.
I just got some hot hands.
Uh-oh, distracted by the sweet treats. This is why we should have been s'more duty. Show us the weenies. They got a 16-pack of the ballpark ones.
Chat, where are you?
Ballpark's beef. We
also got ketchup and mustard.
Chocolate, graham crackers, Spider-Man paper plates,
Ooh.
water fluid, and fire starters.
Nice. Spider-Man. The storm has gotten worse. You can see the wind on the headlights. Cooking our hot dogs.
No! Why did you just...
I need to put it in my TikTok.
The smoke is burning my eyes. Here's our table. Our hot dogs are actually kind of frozen. They're frozen.
Her whole hand on fire. She's like down in it.
I'm trying to get this hot dog to cook.
I just ate it.
You good? Dalton, how's your hot dog? Daniel, how's your hot dog?
Oh, it's so good. The bread is cold.
Yeah, I don't even know if I can have the bun. I'm just gonna have to eat it.
Help
me get it. There we go. I can't tell if it's done or not.
Give it a little blow and then...
It kind of looks like it might be black.
It gives it flavor.
Whenever you cook it, all that'll
Oh my
fall
god, I
off.
think it is. Can you try the... Can you flash...
Who's got a little bit of snow on the plate? Yummy.
I accidentally got all the plates.
The hot dog is actually a 10 out of
Don't worry, I'll
10.
share.
Maybe. Oh, what the heck?
Cersei, how are you feeling?
There you go.
I
You good?
cooked it up.
Ella needs one too.
Gracie Jane took all the Spider-Man plates. They're frozen together.
They are. Grace, can we bring the hot dogs
Can
over
you
here?
just bring everything up?
They're all over here.
Now you're being sat by Stephanie again. Oh, it's freezing.
I've now dropped 2.
It's definitely gonna melt these. I can't even care. Can you pass?
Oh my god!
Bro, what the flip?
Our fire's gonna be out.
It missed your dog at least.
Yeah, that's just gonna take a bite.
My bun is frozen. I can't even open my bun.
I just got
Ice
a
on the-
national
on the
severe weather alert.
Perfect. Why's there blackness on Mom?
Okay, we're back inside. And I didn't vlog any of s'mores, but we did eat s'mores just super duper fast. Look at Dalton's hair. You got
What?
the blizzard got you. You just have white hair. The hot dogs were a 10 out of 10. The s'mores were actually a 9 out of 10 because the chocolate was frozen and I couldn't really eat it. Savannah was dying. She was quite chilly the whole time. But now it's like 7:30 and we're going to bed. There.
Cocoon!
How are you gonna drink the water?
Got a caterpillar looking.
Good night. Good night. Good night.
Good night.
Good night,
I'm
Cersei.
not going to bed.
Yeah.
Would you rather?
Oh, okay. Sounds good. They're going to bed.
In a little bit. Well, I don't want to get that one. Y'all want the laptop? Alright, laptop.
Good morning.
We're leaving,
We're
unfortunately.
going home. We just
Ella
packed
has
up all our
stuff.
things.
It's all empty in here.
Like we made the beds and everything.
Yep.
They're
Yeah,
gonna know
Ella
that girl
called
stayed
it.
here because we made the beds. We're putting the straps on the boxes. Oh. Dalton, do you have anything to say about our journey ahead of us?
I think we'll be fine. I've been working all morning getting this ready, so I think we'll be good.
We just got a little bit of snow. Whoa, I'm sliding down the hill.
Be careful. That's
There's just a little bit of snow on the cart.
I'm forced to drift. We're turning out barely.
We're at a potty break. And
Number 2.
every time we crawl out of the car, we realize how sore we are. It's like getting worse by the second. That time, like every bone in my body was like crackling. Like my hips are starting to hurt now. My tailbone, arms hurt when I straighten them.
That was the first time I washed my hands in 3 days. Or had running water.
I fear I didn't even like document the conditions we're under. We haven't showered in 3 days.
Or brushed our teeth.
We've had no running water. We've one since Friday. This one, same underwear.
Same underwear.
Same everything. We've had no running water for the past 3 days. We've literally been in the middle of the woods. Like I don't think y'all understand.
I slept in the. None of us brought a hairbrush except Ella, who brushed my hair in 3 days.
I've had this. This shirt was on yesterday. These leggings have been on since Friday. We're so gross.
Haven't washed our face.
Yep. How does it feel to have clean hands, everyone?
It feels great.
Crazy.
I got distracted.
So clean. It's really cold though. We've been like just using the restroom in the porta potty. Anyways, we're about to get back on the road, and we're probably gonna make it to cheer practice on time, which is really surprising. Yeah, I didn't see this coming, but we will probably be at cheer practice tonight.
Unfortunately.
Okay guys, we made it home in time for cheer practice too, so we'll be back together in less than an hour.
Literally, it's 4:46 and we have practice at 6.
Yeah, roads actually weren't that bad once we got out of North Carolina and Tennessee. But it was an experience, and Dalton did good driving home. Say bye.